హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ ఆన్లైన్ మామ్ థాట్స్. ఈరోజు మన వీడియోలో కొన్ని యోగా ఆసనాలని చూద్దాం.
Namaste. An asana is a body posture originally and still a general term for a sitting meditation pose and later extended in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise to any type of pose or position, adding, reclining, standing, inverted, twisting and balancing poses. The very best time to practice yoga is first thing in the morning before breakfast, upon waking up. The second most conductive time is early evening around sunset. Now let us do some warm up before we begin the actual yogasanas. The first asana is Tadasana. Tada in Sanskrit means mountain. Therefore, this is also known as the mountain pose. This asana helps us to increase our height. It stimulates our nervous system. It improves the body posture and balance. It tones your abdomen. It strengthens your ankles, knees, thighs, arms and legs. It improves the function of the respiratory and digestive system. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then relax and repeat it again. Vrikshasana. Vriksh means a tree. This pose is also known as the tree pose. This asana improves balance and stability in the legs. It strengthens the ligaments and tendon of the feet. It assists the body in establishing pelvic stability. It strengthens and tones the entire standing leg. It strengthens the bones of the hips and legs due to the weight-bearing nature of the pose. Hold this pose for 20 to 60 seconds. Relax and then repeat it on the other leg. The next asana is Virabhadrasana 1. Virabhadra means a warrior. This asana strengthens the lower back, arms and legs. It enhances the stamina of an individual. It strengthens the ankles, shoulders, back, arms, calves and thighs. It backs off solidified shoulders. It discharges stress and worries, relaxing your mind, body and soul. Working on this posture improves all standing poses and hip openers. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then relax and repeat it on the other leg. Is Virabhadrasana 2. It strengthens and stretches the legs and ankles. It stretches the chest, lungs, groins and shoulders. It stimulates the abdominal organs and improves digestion. It helps increase stamina. It promotes peace, courage and auspiciousness. It helps relieve flat feet, infertility, arms, calves and thighs. It backs off solidified shoulders. It discharges stress and worries, relaxing your mind, body and soul. Working on this posture improves all standing poses and hip openers. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then relax and repeat it on the other leg. Is Surya Namaskara. It also means sun salutation. When Surya Namaskara is done in a faster pace, it helps us lose weight. It gives us glowing skin. It ensures a better digestive system. It brings down your blood sugar level. It improves anxiety. It battles insomnia. It helps your body detox. Doing one round of Surya Namaskara, that is all the 12 poses, burns an approximate of 13.90 calories. You can do this asana 6 times. Our next asana is Trikonasana. Kona means angle. Therefore, this pose is also known as the triangle pose. This asana gives strength to your legs, feet and ankles. It stretches hips, groins, hamstrings, calves and spine. It opens the chest and shoulders. It strengthens your back, neck and abdominals. It stimulates abdominal organs, aiding in digestion. It reduces anxiety and depression. It improves the functioning of the nervous system. You can hold this pose for 1 minute. Relax and then repeat it on the other leg. Our next asana is Bhujangasana. It is also known as the cobra pose. It strengthens the spine, it stretches the chest, lungs, shoulders and abdomen. It stimulates the abdominal organs. It helps relieve stress and fatigue. It opens Our next asana is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adho means downwards, Mukha is face and Swana means dog. Therefore, this is also known as the downward dog. This asana calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. It energizes the body. It stretches the shoulders, hamstrings, calves, ankles and hands. It strengthens the arms and legs. It helps relieve the symptoms of menopause. You can hold this asana for nearly 1 minute. Then you can relax and repeat it again. Our next asana is Chakrasana. Chakra means wheel and this pose is also known as the wheel pose. This asana strengthens the liver, pancreas and kidneys. It increases the elasticity of the spinal cord. It is very useful in treating diabetes, asthma, constipation and obesity. It stimulates the endocrine system. You can hold this pose for 30 seconds to 3 minutes. Relax and then repeat it again. Our last asana is the Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha means half, Matsya means fish and Indra means king. This pose is also known as the half spinal twist pose. This asana increases the elasticity of the spine and tones the spinal nerves. It releases stiffness of the hip joints. It cures constipation and indigestion. It helps to increase oxygen supply to the lungs. It is beneficial for people suffering from sciatica and slipped disc. It stretches the back muscles and the spine. It is good for the health of the urinary system and urinary tract infections. It helps the digestive system to release the digestive juices and thus it promotes digestion. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Relax and then repeat it on the other leg.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for much more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for updates.